Good morning, kindergarten. Mrs. Alberson here with today's reading lesson. We are going to cover our ABCs. This is one of the most important lessons we will cover. The alphabet is the foundation that we will be building on throughout this year to learn to read. We will start small with identifying our letters. Reading is so important. Every subject that you study in school will require good reading skills. So let's get started. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for gorilla. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for question mark. R is for rocket. S is for shoes. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow. Z is for zipper. Now let's review. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that we have gone through our ABCs, your assignment is to make a mini book of the alphabet. Write each letter and then draw a picture of something that begins with that letter. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you like until you can identify all the letters. Have a great day!